give to Miss Bobby that yellow, like what I give in the canteen.
Yellow paper? Or the
No, yellow
thing?
yellow thing, but I gave it to Miss Bobby. Then she's gonna get all the monies in there. That kid's
Oh,
gonna
I see.
like that. Then I'm gonna bring the paper that Miss Bobby Anna
Wrote.
What?
Give it to the canteen, the
It's
lunch
envelope.
ladies. The envelope.
No, not the lunch ladies.
Where do you give it?
And the
To whom?
girl that was cooking the popcorn, not the lunch ladies.
It's a different girl. I thought they're the lunch ladies. So
And-
she's just the one who cooks
and
the
then-
popcorn.
And we're gonna have a bag, a big bag, so Miss Pincher could bring it in the classroom, then give it to all the kids that will
Really?
have popcorn.
But she didn't
money.
have one.
If you didn't
You didn't remind me. We forgot, both of us. You also. I thought you always remember that before. You do, but
Mommy, tomorrow's building!
good.
I
We'll
wonder,
just make popcorn in the house at home.
Mommy, I wonder what's tomorrow's building.
I don't know.
Yes, the videoing! Ay, Ma, guess what? Pagkuan ako sit sa chair, no? Kay, mo sa akong table spot, here's my chair.
Yan.
I do like this. Oh, sit po siya.
You did? You
Yeah.
fall?
Yeah.
So
Like
it was
Tyson.
funny?
Like Tyson. Tyson always silly.
So Miss Pincher saw you when you fell.
No.
Some of your classmates did see you. Did they laugh at you or they helped you get up?
I thought told Tyson I fall at the chair like Tyson.
Did he
Okay.
laugh at you so much?
No,
Oh, okay.
just a little bit.
Mm.
Okay,
So they're
stop
not making
videoing.
they're not making fun of you.
Stop videoing now. It gives